you are joining us for the first time, I'm Christina and this is Kelly. We are two moms, best friends who love everything about fashion. We love doing lookbooks, hauls, tips and tricks, budget-friendly items for you guys.
Today we have a video that I think is going to be really helpful for everyone, and it is all about cuffing jeans. So usually what happens is, in the summertime we're wearing a lot of jeans with flats and sandals, and it's pretty easy to put sandals with just about any kind of jean. But then fall comes around and you're putting on those ankle booties and things, and it's like, what do I do with these jeans? Because you need some separation between do you tuck it? Do you not tuck it? Do you cuff it? So we're gonna share with you guys some great ways to style your jeans.
Exactly, and also there might be some of you out there that are petite like Kelly and I, so you might find that the stores are only carrying regular size and not any petite sizes for you. So this gives you an alternative option, being able to go and buy jeans at a regular size, but still being able to use them and incorporate them into your wardrobe, or if you're just looking for a little bit of an interesting detail to add to your outfit.
With this look, I have on my high-waisted skinny jeans that I just picked up from Target. So with all the other shoes that I have in my closet, these jeans really are the perfect length, except for with this particular pair of booties. So there's really no reason not to wear these boots or to get my jeans hemmed. Instead, I like to use the pinroll cuff to fix this issue. All you do is fold your hem 2 times, but be sure not to create too much space in between your hem and the booty, or you'll just end up making your legs look shorter. All you need is just a sliver of skin to show to give you that perfect look. This is an easy cuff and probably the most popular one used because you can use it with any shoe regardless of whether you're dressing up or just keeping it casual.
So for this first look, I've got my dark skinny jeans on, and the thing about these jeans is I don't want to hem these jeans because they're a great length for when I'm wearing a sandal or a flat shoe. I don't mind the little extra fabric bunched up at the ankle. However, when it's fall and I want to put on some booties, that extra fabric really gets in the way and just doesn't look very styled. So for this look, I'm using a wide cuff, which is basically very simple. It's just one big cuff, and it looks really nice when you just have that little sliver of skin between the jeans and the booty. And I really like the way it just adds a little something to the outfit and looks so polished and put together. It's just a very simple way to fix the problem of having skinny jeans that are a bit too long.
Here I am with my black jeans and some leopard print heels. So as you can see, there is a lot of extra material and bunching at the bottom of the hem. These are a pair of jeans that I picked up but have not yet had the chance to get hemmed because of course I'm a busy mom. So the perfect solution is the invisible cuff. You simply gather all that extra material and tuck it under until you achieve the perfect length. You can really use this cuff on any jean, but I especially love using this cuff on black and white jeans since the hem is already really difficult to see. Plus it's such an easy cuff to really create a perfect streamlined look.
So for this next look, I'm using my distressed skinny jeans, and these jeans have a bit of extra fabric at the bottom, which tends to wrinkle up and create some ruching around the ankle, and that is not the look that I want for this. So for this one, I'm styling these jeans with my Moto Boots, and I'm going to use a different cuff that I think is really fun and unique, and it's the double cuff. So for the double cuff, all you need to do is start with one little bit thicker cuff, and then you do another cuff going all the way up to the seam, but leaving the hemline exposed at the top. So it just makes it a little bit different, a little bit fun, and it's a great way to be able to cuff your jeans and add a little bit of interest to your look.
This is a pair of straight leg jeans I own along with some plaid flats. I really love the looser fit of straight leg jeans or even baggy boyfriend jeans, but sometimes I want to add just a little bit of detail to an outfit. So I like using the fold over cuff. For this cuff, you want to just gather all that extra material on your inseam and then fold your hem 2 times. In this outfit, I'm wearing flats, but this cuff also works really great with sandals or heels as well as like sneakers. It's just a great cuff to kind of give you a casual, laid back look, or just to give a little bit of an interesting element to your outfit.
So for this next look, I'm wearing one of my favorite pairs of jeans, which are not very long and do not have any extra material. They're actually the perfect length for flats or sandals. However, with these little ankle booties, they're just slightly too long. So using the single cuff is the best way to style these. And the single cuff is so simple. It is literally just folding over ever so slightly. The folds can be as short as the hemline, or it could be a little bit higher, and basically you just adjust it to the length that you want your jeans to be to create that little tiny bit of space between the booty and the jean and just make it look more polished and stylish.
So that is it. There is no reason for you guys not to be superstars at cuffing your jeans. And just so that you guys know, we are not only coming out with videos every Monday night at 7 p.m., but also now every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Two times a week, you guys are going to get to see us. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Bye.